Hello everyone, welcome back again to SelfCAD channel with SelfCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial. Today I will create a 3D floor plan with SCAD tools. First I will use a reference image. You can click view and click a reference image. We can add a reference image for a SCAD floor plan. Okay, I will use a SCAD and you can click open. I will change opacity in here and you can close this reference image. We can use a top view and I will use freehand SCAD to create SCAD in these drawings. Okay, first I will use this rectangle command. We can create rectangle start from this point and then I will move into this point. Next you can move to the top. We create again start from this point and I will move into this point. Move to the left. Okay, we start from this point, move to the left, and then we can move to the bottom here. Okay, start from this point again, and then we can move into this point, and we can move to the right. Okay, now we can create a rectangle in here. Okay, I will move into this point. And you can move to the left. We create a star from this point. Okay, next we can move into this point and you can move to the bottom. Okay, now we can create in here. Okay, I will click after this point and we can move to the top. You can move to the left. We create again in here. Okay, into this point and move to the right. Last we create from this point into this point and move to the top here. Okay, next this is for the last wall. Okay, I will start from this point. We move into this point and then we move to the bottom here. Now we already created this to this SCAD floor plan and you can click OK to convert into 3D models. Okay, it will be automatically convert into 3D models. I will use a scale command to scale this object. I will use in green axis and we can move to the top. Okay, we scale these models. And next I will create hole for windows and then for a door. We can use top view and then I will use this freehand. Okay, in here I will use a rectangle command again. You can click a rectangle. We click at this point. Okay, this for windows, and then you can move to the right. And next we can create a start from this point, move into this point, and you can move to the right here. Okay, I will click OK to apply. Now we can use a move command to move this model to the top, and then I will use a scale command to scale in a green axis. Okay, you can move to this point. We can create for door. Okay, you can use top view again, and I will use a freehand. Next we create hole for door with these rectangle tools. So I will click at this point, move into bottom, and you can move to the right. Next I will create start from this point, move into this point, and then you can move to the right here. You can click OK. We can create again for a door in here. Okay, I will change into freehand, change top view, and we can use a rectangle command to create a rectangle start from this point into here and move into this point. Okay, you can click OK to apply. Now we will setting for this door dimension. Okay, you can select these two objects, and next we can move this object in y-axis into 5 points. And I will use scale command to scale this model in green axis. You can move into here. Okay, this is for door. and this for windows. Next we can use cut command to cut this wall. Okay, you can change into freehand again, and I will use top view. You can use rectangle command. We can cut this wall. Start from this point and move into here. You can move to the right. We start again from this point, move to the bottom, and then you can move to the right. The last we can create from this point to here, and then you can move to the right here. Okay, you can click OK to apply. We can change again this model position. Okay, you can use a move command. We move in y-axis into 5, and I will use scale command to scale these models. Okay, we can scale in green axis, move to this point. So we can use a subtract command to subtract this all objects. Okay, you can click this all objects, and then we can use stitch and scoop. You can use this difference option. Next, I will subtract with this 3D objects. You can click here to subtract. Okay, it will be subtract and create hole, and you can click OK to apply. Now for base, I will use 3D SCAD. You can click here 3D SCAD, and we can use this rectangle SCAD. Okay, we can create a rectangle. Start from this point. Okay, I will move into this point. Next, we can move into this point. Okay, it will be create this rectangle objects, and then we can use fill polygons. You can close this rectangle SCAD. I will use fill polygons. You can click tools, click fill polygons, and then for this surface, I will use a thickness. Okay, we can thickness into 5. You can preview, and you can click OK to apply. The last, we can combine these two objects. You can click stitch and scoop, and next we can use this union command to combine, and you can click OK to apply. Now we already create this simple 3D models floor plan with a SelfCAD. You also can click a 3D print to view 3D printing these models. Okay, I will click this object, and we can use a scale in here, like I will scale into 100 or X, and it will be scaled. Okay, enough today for SelfCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial how to create a 3D floor plan with the sketching tools. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in another SelfCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial.